Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a chicken pot pie. And these are the ingredients that you're going to be needing. You're going to need your 2 pie crust deep dish right here. This is by Pillsbury. And then you're going to also need the crust right here. Alright? I got like 3 chicken breasts right here. A bag of peas and carrots. I have a half a cup of flour. Half a stick of butter. This is KERRY Gold. This is right here some chicken flavored bouillon right here. This is like 2 cups of water right here. Some heavy cream cheese. I say heavy cream cheese, heavy whipping cream. Gotta laugh at myself sometimes. I'm trying to tell you guys, I don't rehearse this. I just jump into it and just go as I go. That's why you be like, what is he talking about half of the time? I'm just going ahead and mix some of this in here. About a good heaping. The reason why I'm going to do that because I'm going to like poach this chicken breast. Alright. I got a little salt right here. Just put a little bit of that in here. Just a crumb. About a good half a teaspoon. Also I want to put a little onion powder in there. About half a teaspoon of that. We do some granulated garlic. A little tablespoon of that. Then we're just going to mix this up, guys. And we're going to poach these chicken breasts for about a good 15 to 20 minutes in my pot. Okay? So I'm going to put these in here, like so. I'm just going to pour this over top of this. Just like so. Then we're going to take us some of this butter to keep moisture in it. Let's go with a tablespoon. Just like so. And we're going to poach this. It's going to take about 15 minutes, okay? I'm just reiterating that. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm just letting this chicken rest. Took it out. Go ahead and chop it up. Just like so. And since I'm chopping it up, what I will do is take these chopped up pieces and put them back in the water so it can collect some of that flavor. Now I didn't show this on the thing, but I will tell you I did put a little wine in my broth. Okay? That chicken tastes super delicious. You guys gotta try it. Use the wine. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I just want to drop me like a half a stick of butter up in here. KERRY Gold, as you can see right there. You can't see it, that's it. Irish butter. For you Irish lovers there. Let me take the flour. I may need some more butter. Just trying to kick all that pasty stuff out. Okay. I'm using the same stuff that I cooked the chicken in. Alright, I'll work that in there. Turn this on super low. Put the rest of this in here. Actually, at this point, you can put the chicken and all that stuff in there, really. Just like so. Alright. Take your little pepper, a little bit, not a whole lot, a little bit more salt. so. Keep working this round up in here. How we're going to smooth this out is with that heavy whipping cream. Alright, so we're going to pour some of that in there. It's about half of the jar. But the trick to making the best pot pie ever is that white wine. I'm not lying to you guys. If you use that, you will thank me. Your whole family will thank me. And please share this video out. I ain't claimed to be the best, but I'm telling you, I know my food. It tastes super delicious. Not gonna lie to you. As my cousin would say, I lie on you before I lie to you. That's for you, E. You know. And at this point, see how it's thickening up? Give it a take. Oh my God. Oh Lord Jesus Christ. We're going to pour these peas up in here. Oh my God. I'm ready to eat that by itself. Oh my God. It was super delicious. I thought about throwing some cheese up in here. I'm still going to throw a little crumb of cheese in there when I bake it. Just stir that around up in there. Get it well combined and mixed up. Now, if one bag ain't good enough for you, you can always use a bag and a half. I'm making 2 pies, so. But this tastes incredible. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I should have been a real chef. I should have been. I tell you guys, I do not rehearse nothing. I just know taste. I know I got a real good palate. Alright, guys. We're just going to kind of let this chill for a second, then we'll pour in our mix in our stuff. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. I melted me some butter, but we're gonna take it up to a notch. We're gonna put us just a little of this garlic in that butter. Alright, here's my pie crust. Just gonna get us some poured in there. I should have used a spoon, but I didn't, so it's too late for all that, huh? I'm just trying to scoop something so I can get meat in all the area that it needs to be in. You don't want to jip nobody on something this good. Alright. Alright. So that's that. On that, let me go wash my fingers off now. That tastes super delicious, fam. Look at that. Alright. We take our pie filling, our pie crust like this. Put that on there. You can come around here like this. Like smash it on there. Try to combine them together. Now this one right here ain't gonna get the cheese, but the next one will. Here, I'm just going ahead and try to peel it. Peel it off like so. Okay. Alright. And we just come up under here. Like so. Waste my oil. Yeah. You can take this fork, go like that on it, all the way through. Just like that, fam. Look like a pie now. And we're gonna take our garlic and our butter, which I'll waste some of it, but it's plenty. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Just about that much. We're just gonna mix this up in here. Like so. Just brush this bad boy down. And when it gets done, you can brush it again while it's resting. Alright? So there you go, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this. Like I said, I'm gonna put the cheese in that one. You can poke your little holes in there if you want to. Poke your little holes in there, like so. Just to breathe. Let it breathe like you do anything else. Any other pies. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm finally back with this chicken pot pie. Homemade chicken pot pie. Simple and easy and delicious. Okay, let me show you that up close. That's how that look. That's hot. Not touch it like that. This is the one with the cheese in it, guys. So the cheese is pretty much on the top of it. The crust falling too. So that's that. And here's my little bowl right here. Go ahead and taste this. I already know it tastes good because I did taste it. That's super good. Give you guys a little bit. Yeah, it's falling off. So, that's super good. Guys, make this recipe. You can't lose with it. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, and hit this bell for me real quick. Just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.